All right, just a quick video to show the radio and the clock are both installed and both are working. I've got everything back on it, and the clock was bench tested for 72 hours to make sure everything was working the way that it should. So we're looking good there. And we have lots of radio stations. And this is inside of a shop. And I did test the radio to make sure that the Bluetooth is functioning from the phone connect. Instructions are up here, and I'll make sure to include those for activating the phone connection, and I can show you how to do that too if you have the time at pickup. Just a few other items left on the car that we'll take care of to get it back out onto the lift outside. I've flushed the brake fluid. That's already been done. The valve covers have been done. Just got some things on the bottom side that we need to wrap up and complete the compression test. So anyway, just wanted to send you a quick update, let you know that we've got the inside of the electronics all upgraded and they are working great. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.